The wait is over. Finally today, December 13, 2024, meron na pong AO number 27 signed and approved by President BBM. Yes, friends, 20K SRI for civilian personnel in LGUs or local government units, LWDs, local water districts, NGAs or national government agencies, SUCs, state universities and colleges, and GOCCs, government-owned and controlled corporations. Also, military personnel of AFP or Armed Forces of the Philippines and uniformed personnel of PNP or Philippine National Police, BFP, Bureau of Fire Protection, BJMP, Bureau of Jail and Management Penology, BOC, Bureau of Customs, and PCG, Philippine Coast Guard. Hence, everybody happy. Right? So wait na tayo sa final release nito. Kailan? Nasa Section 9 po yan ng AO number 27, payment date. So basahin natin. The payment of the SRI to all qualified government employees shall be made not earlier than December 15, 2024. Ayan. So, December 15, friends, is Sunday po yan, right? So, most likely, friends, December 16 po yan, ma-release sa mga government offices na may pondo na and onwards. So, ayan, abangan. So, thank you, President BBM. At least nagbigay kayo ng SRI. We deserve to receive this, sir, as government employees. Alright, friends, keep watching my YouTube channel. Baka may ma-receive pa tayo before end of December. Abangan. Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.